Welcome back to Monkey Lockpicks, my friends. Today we are gonna see if we can get this nice challenge lock picked. It's a Yale style keyway challenge lock from Trackmaster 30, pinned by Texas Jim. I've learned a lot from Texas Jim videos about custom security pin making, and I'm really happy to have the chance to try to pick open this lock. This is the beating on the key. Nothing too crazy, but we know Texas Jim makes some really nice challenge locks. It's already in the vise. It works super smooth and nicely. And let's see. I think I'm gonna use this top of the keyway tension wrench. Gives me nice control. And this short hook on sparrows. It's a 5-pinner, so let's see. I'm trying to fit the lockpick right behind this ledge, starting picking from the back. Nice click on 5, really light tension. Four, nothing on 3, nothing on 2, this was 3, 2 set, nothing on 1, 4, 3 set, 2 is set, I think I've overset something, so I'm gonna reset the lock. Second attempt. This was 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are open. Okay. Oof. This was a little bit camera shy. So let's see what's on the inside. Okay. We have to unscrew this one seems to fit. Since we have the key, I'm gonna lock it up. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna shim it just in case we have some tipping or something like that. Okay. Okay. So let's see if I can just like that. Okay. I see some nice stuff in there. Okay. So one is a serrated, two is serrated spool, three is serrated, four a double spool, I think, five another double spool, or wide serrations on that. All 5 chambers are threaded, as you can see. Okay, every single one is threaded. Okay, let's see what we got upstairs. Let's take away the shim. All right. Here we can have something in focus. Number one is a, it seems like a barrel pin with a serration in the middle. Nice sharp edges. And let's see. Spring, the copper one. Nice. Chamber number 2. We have another one like that. A different spring. No, just like that. Number 3. Another one. Like the 2 we have already seen. And another copper spring. Okay. Let's see from this side. 5. Okay, another one like the other 3. And I guess 4 is another one like that. Okay, springs are all the same. So, nice challenge lock here. Okay. As you can see, on the top pins we have some similar shapes, just like the key pins. Really nice. Just another little thing. Okay, I hope you can see the chambers are all threaded, even in the Bible, but it seems just just half of them. And 4, let's see, 3 doesn't seem. These are really, really light threads to grab all the sharp edges. You can see here and here. Nice work. Thank you very much, Texas Jim, for the lock, and thank you, Trackmaster, for sending it to me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will join me soon on my next videos. Have a good one, and have a nice speaking, my friends.